So hey guys, welcome back to another video. I have some good news. I need to hurry this video up because my son is taking a nap. So stay tuned. I just finished washing my hair. As you can see, it's in this little turban thingamajiggy. This is a hair towel. Oh, this stuff is the best. I got this when I used to live in Pensacola at a store named, it dries up the hair, but it doesn't keep it dry. So in the last few videos, I had mentioned that, you know, I had clarified my hair using a clarifying shampoo, which was the Aussie Moist, and my hair felt amazing. So I don't know if I was dealing with moisture overload or whatever it is. So yeah, I celebrated too soon. Bruh. Why can't you just like sleep for a good 2 hours, bro? Mom. What? You know, when you just hear certain things on YouTube, you want to do better with your hair. So you're just following what everybody else is doing when it comes to your hair. But they were saying, oh, shampooing, like clarifying shampoos aren't good, blah, blah, blah. So, I mean, I've been using like the natural stuff. So after me clarifying my hair that day, listen, my hair felt like heaven, okay? And the shed was less that time. And I was like, yes, yes, Lord. Yes, yes. And I also have been working out, not excessively, but I have been working out, eating better, drinking more water. So I'm bringing everything that used to work back, okay? And of course, there's gonna be like little things here and there where I'll change, like implementing more Ayurvedic benefits to my hair. Stick to a regimen, shampoo, condition. You don't even have to condition, like just shampoo, deep condition for like 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes, protein treatments here and there, Ayurvedic oil, like oil, butter, your favorite leave-in conditioner that makes your hair like baby booty smooth, clarify here and there, you know. You can also do co-washes. I believe in co-washes, especially if you feel as though like your hair is not as dirty, but you just want to remove hair products out of your hair. I don't let that be your main source of getting your hair clean, because team boo, no. Them butters and oils have to get washed out the hair, okay? Thoroughly. So, what else? In this video, I will be using the REVAIR to blow out my hair, right? But guess what I'm going to be doing though? But basically what I used to do back in the days with my braids, I'm going to bring it back. Instead of doing twists, I'm going to do braids. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I used to do it back in the days. Whew, this is going to be stressful, but y'all stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned, stay tuned. Don't make, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Say stay tuned. Stay tuned. Woo. Everything that I'll be using to blow out my hair will be shears, whatever. Okay. Of course, my leave-in conditioner. I'm going to also use this leave-in conditioner. Oh, listen, I used to use this way back when, okay, and this worked miracles for my hair. It's very, very light. So if you don't like heavier conditioners, this is very light and it's very good too. So if you pair it with oil and butter, oh my goodness, it's amazing. I love this stuff. My oil, heat protectant from Cantu is pretty good too, and it smells amazing. Hey, if you don't. My butter for the ends.
What butter?
Guys, I wanted to also tell you guys, this is how much, look at it. This is how much I shed in the shower, bro. Like, yes. Okay, so today I'll be using the REVAIR to blow out my hair. The main reason I'm using the REVAIR is because it's less work on my arms, like, you know, I worked on arms today, so I don't need more workout for my arms, you know. Okay, I don't want this video long, so I'm gonna get to the point. I'm gonna do this section and then do the rest off camera. So I'm going to use the Kinky Curly Not Today Detangler. You can find this in Target, SallyBeauty.com. You can find this. It's a lighter conditioner. So I want to see how it'll make my hair feel after using the REVAIR. Y'all, look at this. Okay. My hair acting right now, dude. It's still, you know, it's still a little, how to say it, like, still needs, my words can't come out, y'all. I don't know what I'm saying. I mean, still needs improvement. Okay, it's not 100% how I want it to be, but it's getting there, so I'm grateful for whatever. I'm getting a small piece, clipping this out the way, using my little clips here. I will finger detangle and I will also use the comb too. It's dry and also feels dry. Right now I'm going to just add oil.
Oil?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, I did trim my hair more than I wanted to, but I don't care. It's okay. I'll get that back soon, hopefully. My hair act right. Like I said, I'm just gonna do this section for you guys, and then I'll do everything off camera because I don't got time for that. Nobody has storage for that, all right? All right, finger detangling. Okay. Oh. Oil. The oil makes a big difference, girl. Like, wow. I'm just using my standard oil because I ran out of the Ayurvedic one, but I love the standard one because it's very simple. It's light. Yeah. And it gets the job done, so. Yeah, it is. Okay, I don't want to oil it too much because I will be leaving these in for like ever, and yeah. But I'll be doing the rest off camera. I didn't lose too much length, okay, which is good. So I'll be twisting this part up. So my daughter and I, well, all of my kids will be doing this. I don't like to say challenge because that word, y'all mud it. Yeah, mud that word. So we'll be doing this journey, hair journey, where we are braiding up our hair leaving it in for a month, taking it out, wash it, braid up again. We might leave it in for longer than a month because a month nowadays is like, it feels like 2 weeks. How much hair I lost. Okay, just a few strands. I'm gonna accumulate the hair at the end of the video or at the end of this whole process to see how much hair I've lost. So far it's just this much. So yeah, let me go get my girlies and then I'll be right back. So I am back. Okay, I went out looking like, So I used the kinky curly on this side and I'm going to use the Cantu on that side and then give my review when I'm done. So the Cantu made my hair really soft. I feel like I should go like the ends. It's not wet, but it'll revert. That's how I feel. But the Cantu, it's of course this leave-in conditioner is much heavier, so it just feels like just moisturized, like really moisturized. This was lighter, but I feel as though this I don't know, it has more moisture on this side, but not a lot. A little goes a long way when you're using oils and butters, so please, ladies, please. I'm gonna have to turn on my fan. This fan is legit. Like, I got this fan. Fan is, oh my goodness, I love this fan. But I got this fan at Costco for like 40 bucks and it's legit, bro. Like, you see, I almost flew away. As you can see, the difference between a braid, although it's bigger, you can see the difference, right? Between a braid and a twist. I like doing the twist because it's more plump, thicker, more volume. The braid, it's much flatter and takes the longest. But I feel as though like the braid does grow your hair faster because all the strands, it's in a braid and there's no flyaways. The twist, you will have flyaways like after maybe 3 weeks. So I am done. So now I'm going to just oil. So I am done. I need to get this braid up ASAP because it's like it's reverting, you feel me? But yeah, with the blow dryer, it really gets the hair straighter, but more tension. So it's like pros and cons to both. With the REVAIR, it gets it straight, but not like the blow dryer. And as you can see, it doesn't remove all of the moisture because my hair is like, it looks like it's reverting. You feel me? This is the one that had the braid in it. So it keeps it protected when you have it like that. Okay, whatever. So this is the amount of hair I lost, which is not bad at all compared to, this is amazing. So, and this is what I lost in the shower together, not bad at all. See? So, okay, so what I do to get my hair prepped and ready for this protective style that I'm doing, braids, I would pre-part it. It just makes life so much easier. So I'm going to pre-part. Back in the days, I used to put grease, like hair grease, in the scalp, but I had stopped doing that and just left my scalp alone until I think the 3rd week of me having the braids or twist in. That's when I would apply oil grease, whatever it was. So I'm gonna show you how I braid it. It's going to be like medium, like it's gonna be small but medium. I don't know, it's medium. So this section right here will be just 3. Try to get all 3 strands as even, so that way you don't have to borrow. This feels so little. Wow, like, am I really gonna do this right now? Whatever. So I'm braiding, and I'm gonna put butter to seal the ends, or you can put leave-in conditioner. I usually put leave-in conditioner to seal the ends. Okay, 1 braid down, 1,000 to go. Whew. So I am finally done with the back. It took me about like 2-3 hours. I think 3 hours. It felt less. But I'm going to go ahead and get started on the front because I am not tired. I'm watching a movie. I'm Netflixing and chilling. So I am good. So what I do to the front is I pre-part each section. Okay, so I can't really see what I'm doing. I always use the phone as a mirror. I'm not sure why. I'm using my handy dandy mirror to kind of direct me. This is my goal, my edges, like to get it thick because it seems like it's see-through. I'm going to pre-part and then that's it. So I would twist it up. So this would be 2. So, but anyways, I would twist it up. And then make another section. So I'm going to finish parting and then I will come back. I'm done pre-parting my hair. So now I am going to just go through each row and then braid. So I'm down to my last braid. Honestly, I thought I was gonna finish this tomorrow. Like finish the rest tomorrow. But it didn't take that long. As my hair get longer, of course I will not do them this small. I just did them this small this time, I really don't know why. But just miss these braids, no lie. So let me finish this one up real quick. I'm done. It didn't take as long as I thought. I think it took about, I started around 3. I started around 3 and right now it is, I don't know, like 9. It's 9 o'clock. So that's 6 hours. So it's not bad. But yeah, I really like my braids. I will do this again for sure. Happy. Right here was a little thin too. So the braids are a little bit thinner, but that's because, you know, I was shedding. So I'm expecting this area to like get fuller. We're working on getting our hair back to health. Yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys already know, as always, be blessed.